Get ready for a culinary adventure that will leave you craving more. Franc Canterbury's hidden gem is a testament to the magic that happens when exceptional cooking meets a passionate team. Imagine a cozy restaurant nestled in the heart of Kent, where rumors of its existence have been circulating for months. I, for one, couldn't resist the allure of Franc, especially with the talented duo behind it, Dave Hart and Polly Pleasence. Their previous venture, the Folkestone Wine Company, left an indelible mark on me with its exquisite dishes, and I knew I had to experience their new creation. But here's where it gets controversial. While Hart's culinary prowess is undeniable, I argue that the true hero of Franc is Pleasence. Her front-of-house skills are a masterpiece in themselves. She effortlessly manages bookings, uncorks fine wines, and even constructs tables, all while exuding an elegant charm that makes every guest feel special. It's this passion and dedication that sets Franc apart. Franc's menu is a delightful journey, offering a blend of French-inspired dishes that evolve with the seasons. From the mouth-watering fried duck breast with caramelized chicory to the indulgent Basque gâteau with plum compote, each dish is a masterpiece. The attention to detail is evident, from the perfectly rendered duck fat to the zesty vinaigrette dressing on the leeks. And this is the part most people miss. Franc's setting is truly unique. Housed within the historic Tudor gatehouse of St. John's Hospital Almshouses, the restaurant offers a glimpse into Canterbury's rich history. A simple walk to the bathroom reveals a breathtaking view of the almshouses' gardens, a sight that will leave any history buff or nature lover in awe. The atmosphere at Franc is relaxed and inviting, yet the quality of the food is exceptional. It's a rare find, a neighborhood gem that feels like a well-kept secret. But for how long? Canterbury is fortunate to have such a gem, and it won't be long before Franc becomes a household name. So, dear reader, are you ready to embark on this culinary journey? Franc awaits, and I can assure you, it's an experience that will leave you wanting more. Franc, https://www.franc-canterbury.com. 49 Northgate, Canterbury, Kent, 01227851804. Restaurant, lunch only, Thursday through Saturday noon to 2:30 p.m, sun 12:30 to 3 p.m. Wine bar, Weds Friday 5:30 to 10 p.m, Sat noon to 2:30 p.m. and 5:30 to 10 p.m, sun 12:30 to 4:30 p.m. Restaurant, set menu only, £36 for 2 courses, £42 for 3. Bar menu, small plates from about £7, plus daily specials, all plus drinks and service.